want you to be free. Let go of your pain and allow me to take it. Do not suffer alone any longer. Do not be afraid, I will go ahead of you, and light the path, for you know that there is a fear inside you. Feeling unworthy at times, know that you hurt. You don't need to hide from me. I'm here for you. I need you to rest. Do not overwork yourself. Hey, I care about you. How are you doing these days? Come talk to me. I will not fail you. However, there will be times when you will experience pain. Pain is hard to accept and live with, but you will survive. Your hesitation, anxiety, and worries are normal. It's normal to experience such feelings and emotions. They do not mean that you reject me. I understand exactly where you are coming from. Hey, listen, I do not want you to get lost in life. And so, if you encounter a setback, I want you to run to me, instead of away from me. Know that it can feel hopeless at times.